Hi guys, Brian here, and this is a Sony A7 III. It has a 24.2 megapixel 35mm full-frame CMOS sensor with back illuminated design, and it has an updated Bionz X processing engine that speeds up processing times by 1.8 compared to the A7 II. You'll need all that processing power when you can go as high as 10 frames per second on burst mode. It has native ISO sensitivity range up to 51,200 and expandable up to the 200,000 range. The beauty of this mirrorless model is that it has a 693-point PDAF focusing system inherited from the flagship A9, and these AF points cover 93% of the frame. On top of that, it has 425 contrast AF points for faster and more reliable focus and tracking. There's also the IAF feature that locks on eyes that are on the frame. And lastly, there's the improvement over a number of shots per charge being at 710 according to CIPA measurement, which is, to what I remember, is around double what the predecessors had. Lastly, the price. It retails at Rm 8,999 just for the body alone. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, and do like my Facebook page. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Bye bye.